Hi and welcome to Show's classes. Today we'll be solving a very important question on probability. You can WhatsApp or call us at the number given on the screen for any doubts, queries, or for full videos on our courses. Let's see our first question. It's a question of odds. It is an odd of 8:5 against the wife who is 40 years living till she is 70, and 4:3 against her husband who is now 15 living till he is 80. Now we have to find the following four probabilities. Let us start off with number A. Let me change the color so that it looks clearer. The first question is both will be alive. Before doing this, let us define certain events. Let A be the event of wife being alive and B husband will be alive 30 years hence. For both 30 years henceforth, as we see in the question. Now we are given probability A is equals to 8 plus 5, which is equals to 5 by 13. Well, let us calculate the probability he won't live, and that is 1 minus PA, which is equals to 8 by 13. Now PB is equals to 4 plus 3, which is nothing but 3 by 7. Again calculating that the wife dies, this probability B bar equals to 1 minus PB, or probability B is equals to 4 by 7. Now if we assume that A and B are independent, let us write this down. A and B are independent. I'll write it in short acronyms, so that A and B bar and A bar and B and A bar and B bar are also independent. That is all the conjugations of these two events. Therefore we need to find first that both will be alive, that is probability A intersection B. And now according to formula we have that probability A into probability B, since we have assumed it's already independent, 5 by 13 into 3 by 7. Now upon calculations it comes to 15 by 91. Since you should always write the reasons, since A and B are independent. I'm writing it in small to save your time. Now the next question, let us see what it is. The next question is none remains alive. That is the worst possible case, that both gets die. So in this we find probability A complement, that is the wife dies, and B complement, that the husband dies. Since it's both dying, we find the intersection of this set, that is probability A bar and probability B bar. Since we have already said that, or rather we have assumed that these are independent, and I have also proved this in another video, this comes to 32 by 91. Again write, since A bar and B bar are independent, again writing it in short. Now let us see the third case, that only the wife lives. In the third case, the only the wife lives is probability A, that the wife lives and the husband dies. It is B bar. Again doing it like the previous cases, just in this case we'll find probability A minus probability A intersection of B, that is 5 by 13 minus 15 by 91, which comes to 20 by 91. Note we have used this using our formulas and the answers that we have already received in part 1. Now let us find the fourth case, that only the husband will be alive, that is this case. So we'll just do the reverse of this. Probability A complement over here, intersection B, is equals to probability B minus probability A intersection B. Putting in the values, we have 3 by 7 minus 15 by 91, and this comes to upon calculation is 24 by 91. And there you go. That is how we do such a simple yet a very important probabilities sum. This is the end of another great video. Please like, subscribe and click on the notification icon. You can call us at the given number for full videos on our courses or for any doubts or queries. Thank you for being a part of our classes.